In HTML5, today we are going to talk about combinators. What are combinators? Just imagine your kid, yourself, and your father, and your grandfather, and your grandfather, and forefathers. So these relationships also, you can imitate in your HTML pages. How? You want to do something, or you want to say something only to your father, and you want to say something to everyone in your chain. So what that function will be executed in the HTML, and what functionalities do we have here? We are going to talk about this. So we have 4 HTML scripts here. First of all, this is an example where only the first line or first paragraph of a span is only given the message, means the color has been changed. Here all the hierarchical people, means hierarchical paragraph in span, are being given violet color. How these are achieved, we'll just talk now. And then we have adjacent sibling example, that is, we have a heading, and heading, inside this heading we have 3 paragraphs. Only the first paragraph is highlighted. Same is the case here, that only the first paragraph of this heading is highlighted. But if I want to highlight all these 3, means I want to pass on the message, I want to say something to everybody in my family, then what to do? There is an example of general siblings, means these are the siblings, means I am the father and I have 3 kids. I want to tell or speak to them in simultaneously. For that reason we have this general sibling. So let us see them one by one, and there are just slight variation. The code is entirely or identical. There is slight difference in the operator we use. Okay, only the operator changes everything. Let's start with the child. So this was the child example. What we have done here, we have a span. This is a span. Now there is a paragraph P. Then inside this we have a paragraph P, means one level ahead, means inside B. Then inside B and I, one more level ahead, there is another paragraph. There is a child, grandparent, and great grandparent. Okay. Now these 3 are on different level. While I give span is greater than P violet, that means I just want in this span the first P, the first paragraph, to be violet, means all other functionalities I can give here, but this is the CSS based ruling. This is the CSS, cascading style sheet based ruling, which we have adopted, and this is very good in HTML5. Now coming down to our next is, this is, now I just don't want this first line or first span paragraph to be highlighted. I want all these 3 to be highlighted. I will just do what? I will just remove that greater than sign. Okay, I have removed this and greater than sign, and wherever this is, first level, second level, or third level, no issues, you can give the color to violet, and all other functionalities or all other possibilities which are possible in our CSS. So I have removed this greater than sign, and I just gave span P, and everything is done. Now adjacent sibling, this was the example. So we have a division. Okay, this is a division. There are 2 divisions basically. One division has 3 paragraph P, and the other is division, but the class is there. Some class is there. We have just to identify these 2 divisions differently, we have provided a class also. These are the jobs. Now I just want that this first P inside this div should be highlighted, or rather which is following this heading should be highlighted. What I have to do is I just have to give this H3, any H3 which is followed by P, that P has to have a green color. Okay, similar here, any H3, because this is a class, so we can only access this loud through dot operator. The h3 dot loud, any p which is following this h3 like this will have orange color. So this is how this ENGG engineering has a orange color. Now you may argue that I want all these 3p to be selected at once. For that, what I'll do, what I am going to change here, you will see in the next HTML web page or script. This is called general sibling. So what I'll do is same thing, same division, same class, just some names are being changed. This is the first h3, this is the second h3, the name has been changed, and these are the p's, these are the p's. But you can see that all these three are selected. These three are selected. I have just changed that sign plus to tilde. Okay, this tilde. This tilde sign, you can find it below escape key. This tilde sign has managed to highlight every p which is following h3 as this ruling of CSS says. So hope you understood the idea that while giving certain rulings in this CSS, we can actually go to child, descendants, adjacent. So there are the hierarchies which you can handle via HTML5 using CSS. So thank you so much. Take care.